Before we dive into the world of cryptocurrency, I want to let you know about an exciting opportunity. We're giving away $250 to 4 lucky subscribers when we hit 10,000 subscribers. To enter, just subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment. The more you engage, the better your chances to win. Now let's explore 3 beginner-friendly cryptocurrencies to consider in 2025. First up is Bitcoin, often referred to as BTC. It's the original cryptocurrency and remains the most widely accepted. Bitcoin is easy to understand. Think of it as digital gold. It's a great option for storing long-term value and serves as a safe entry point into the crypto space. While the gains may be slower compared to other coins, the long-term confidence in Bitcoin is high. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into cryptocurrency. Next, we have Ethereum, or ETH. This coin powers most of what we see in the Web3 space, including NFTs, decentralized finance, and smart contracts. It's used by developers and creators all over the crypto ecosystem. When you invest in Ethereum, you're not just buying a coin, you're investing in the foundation of decentralized applications. However, keep in mind that during times of high traffic, transaction fees can get quite expensive. It's important to factor that into your investment strategy. Lastly, let's talk about Polygon, known by its ticker MATIC. Polygon is designed to be a cheaper and faster alternative to Ethereum, making it ideal for real-world applications. Major brands like Nike, Reddit, and Starbucks are already utilizing Polygon's technology. If you're looking for speed without sacrificing security, this could be the coin for you. Just be aware that there are other competing Layer 2 solutions gaining traction, so it's essential to stay informed. In summary, starting with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polygon offers a balanced approach for beginners. These coins are easy to understand, have strong long-term potential, and are available on major exchanges. Always remember to do your own research and invest wisely, and don't forget about that $250 giveaway. Like, subscribe, and comment for your chance to win. Engaging with our content increases your chances, so keep watching.